that has done 2009 something now. At that time, it could be like 5% to 8%. But now, let me give you this clue. Hey guys, your friend Adeyemi Oluwaseun from Online Also Pro. This video, I want to teach you how to make $10 to $50 daily on Binance. If you don't have Binance account before, all you need to do is just to go to the description section down below. You see the first link there. What you need to do is just to click on it. Once you click on it, you can also search through this channel. You're going to see how to set up your Binance account and how to verify it, how to fund it. Right, so now guys, where we're going to today is actually not too far, and as you can see that I have Binance application right here now. When you open your Binance application on your phone, you have one dashboard, right? So you're going to see add a favorite coin that you want to be trading. Then you have a hot button right here. Then we have gainers right here. We have losers right here. We have new listing right here. We have 24-hour volume. We have market cap, right? So guys, now for those who are actually new on this crypto stuff, let me explain some things and open your eye to some stuff right here. When you come to hot, it means you can see that we have three hot crypto right here. We have BNB, that is very hot. We have BTC, we have Ethereum right here as well. And when you come to gainers here, you can see that for the past 24 hours, these are the gainers. We have a coin here that has done 2,948. We have another one here that has done 78%. We have another one that has done 16%. We have another one that has done 15%. We have another one that has done 15% as well. And we have Edu here that has done 12%, right? So you can actually click more to, as you can see, there are so many coins here that has done a lot of percentage for the past 24 hours. And as well, if you come to the loser here, you are going to see the coins that have been losing for the past. You can see 24 hours change. This one has done -8. This one has done -6. This one has done -5. This one has done -5, -5. And as you can see, if you're scrolling down like that, you're going to see them. Then we also have new listing here. That is the new coin that just come to the market. That is, it might be on market before, but another exchange. So, but they just come to Binance exchange right here. Okay, like this one just come to Binance exchange. I think it could be maybe within 24 hours or less than 24 hours, right? So you can see we have a bunch of coins that just enter. Like this AI is not new, but it just enter Binance, right? So that is how all this thing actually works, guys. That's how all this thing. I can see we have 24 hours volume. What each coin has done, the volume that they have done for the past 24 hours, and we also have their market cap as well right here. But where are we going today? We are going to this gainer, right? There is a strategy that we want to use to make $10 to $50 on this gainer every day. All right, so now as from the moment that you're watching this video, make sure that you start working on it and take action, right? Just take action to start monitoring what I want to reveal to you right now. So there is something that I have been using on this Binance for some time, right? And it's very sure every day you are going to make money out of Binance, right? Even no matter how much you have, maybe you have $10 or any amount that you may have, you are going to make money without, risk right here. So now, guys, what is the secret? What you need to do once you come to the Binance right here, you just need to come straight down to gainers here, gainers. So it shows all the profit that's already in money, but there is a particular time that you must come in, not just any time that you feel like, right? So for example, if you are watching me from Nigeria, between 3 to 5 midnight, right? Between 3 a.m. to 5 a.m. That is when all this coin will start rising. For example, like this one that has done 2009 something now. At that time, it could be like 5% to 8%. But now, let me give you this clue. You must not buy any coin that is above 7%. It must be between 5 to 7% at that time, between 3 to 5 a.m. in the morning, right? Between 3 to 5 a.m. You can just note it down. Between 3 to 5 a.m. in the morning. So that coin, you come to Binance. When you get to Binance, all these coins that have gone to like 17%, 12%, even as higher as 2,934%, they will be like they will be like 3%, 4%, 5%, even 7%. But once it is more than 7%, like 8 to and above, do not touch those ones. But anything from 1 to 7% is what you should buy, right? So now, for example, let's say I just come online right now. I just come online and I see like 12% right here. And I see this. Let's say this one, this Edu is just like 5% by then. So what you need to do is just to tap on it. Once you tap on it, then you're going to trade it, right? So you can trade it. You can buy that coin on spot. You can also buy on future, but it is better to do it on spot, right? As you can see that when I tapped it, you can see buy, you can see sell, but you must have your USDT ready. So what you need to do is just to come to this buy here. You just click on buy. When you click on buy, then you can just click on market right here. Okay, so once you click on market, so you enter the amount of USDT that you want to buy right here. Maybe you want to buy 100 USDT. So then you click on buy, right? Then once you do that, you can just be monitoring this market. When it has done like maybe 10, 15, 20 or 30, even up to 50%, you can just sell it off back to USDT. How can you sell it back to USDT? It's still just the same stuff, right? So let's say you bought this Edu and you want to sell it back to USDT. All you need to do is just to come to sports there and click on sell, right? Once you click on sell, you just need to choose 100%. You can see right here, we have a tick here. So you just need to tap it to sell everything off. That is 100%. Then everything will go back to USDT. So just try to monitor this from 3 a.m. to 5 a.m. every blessed day. And you can write them down. Even if you have not traded with your money, you can just start any coin that you see from 1 to 7%. You can just jot them down. Afternoon, 2, 3, 4 in the afternoon, you can just go and check it back to see what it has done. And also, if you're trading with money, you have to be monitoring it as well. Okay, you cannot just buy a coin and leave it there without monitoring what it has done, if it is okay for you to sell. I cannot tell you a particular percentage that you should sell off, but when it is okay by you, you can just sell off. My own is just that I just want to reveal the secrets on how you can buy low in the midnight, right, between 3 to 5 a.m. in the morning, and sell it off when it's increased in value. So that is what I have for you guys right here today. If you like this video, kindly subscribe to this channel right now by clicking on the subscription button and the notification bell, so that whenever I drop a content like this, we also be getting notification from YouTube that I just drop a content like this. You can also like this video so that YouTube will recommend it to others, so that I can benefit from this video. You can also go to the comment section below to let me know what you feel about this video and your thoughts. Thank you. I remain yours, Adeyemi Oluwaseun from Online Hustle Pro.